Wanted Beauty. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In case you don't know, Wanted Beauty is a brand that is focused on helping beginners find their way around skincare. So it's tailored for beginners. So if you're a beginner and you're trying to find your way around skincare, you want to know some basic things about skincare and how to solve some basic skincare concerns like acne, then this is the right place for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and to like this video. Also feel free to share this video with your friends. Today we're going to be talking about how you can know your skin type. If you missed my first video, better you go back and watch it, because that was the introduction of this video. In that video I told you the types of skin types that are available, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can find your skin type at home by yourself with no dermatologist or no friend or enemy telling you what you should or you shouldn't do. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell below this video. Okay, so now enough, let's get into the video. Now, to recap of what we learned in the previous video. In our previous video we learned that there are 5 types of skin type: the oily, the dry, the combination, the sensitive, and the normal skin type. Now, how to know your skin type without seeing a dermatologist all by yourself at home. Go and wash your face with your cleanser or your face cleanser, and then skip your skincare routine for that day. Do not apply anything, not like moisturizer, a serum, a toner, nothing. Do not apply anything. And this activity is best done at night to give your skin enough time to determine what type of skin type you fall under. Then just do that and then go to bed. Then in the morning, go to a mirror or your phone camera or whatever and take a close look at your face. If possible, use a finger to feel your face and see if it's oily. If you can see, like if you have an oily skin, you'd see it on your face. Your face would look glossy and shiny, and like you can literally see the oil on your face even though you did not apply anything prior to this. Now, if you have a dry skin, your skin is going to look tight, it's going to look flaky, it's going to look leathery, like leather. If you have a combination skin, then some parts of your skin is going to look shiny and glossy, while some other parts is going to look dry. And you can also use your finger to be certain. If you put your finger on your face and then you don't see any oil at all, then you know that part is dry. If that's the case in all around your face, then you know you have dry skin. If that's the case, some parts is glossy, some parts is shiny, there's a shiny film on your face, on your finger, then you know that you have a combination skin. But if that is the case, where all parts leaves a shiny coat on your finger, then you know that you have an oily skin. Now, I have oily skin, and I don't think that I need anybody to guess about that. Just me looking at me, you'd see that my face is shiny. I don't have any makeup on apart from my lipstick and my eyeliner. And my face is this shiny. Leave your questions in the comments, letting me know your thoughts on this video. If you have if there's any confusion in this video, anything that you would like me to clarify on, leave them all there. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified if I make new videos. I make videos on skincare for beginners, and I am here to help you find your way around skincare and to have a skin that you would be happy and proud about. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, have a lovely day or a night whenever you're watching this. Bye.